The Argentinian team coming onto the field here, just in their white and white. I tell you what, Canada in black and black on the hottest day of the week. Good choice.
Canada doesn't lose in the black and black. They bring death to the opposition and mourning. That's the idea behind the black on black.
Well, what a great rendition of Argentina's national anthem. And oh, Canada! He looked like he's built to throw a fast pitch. And a perfect one just down the edge there. Thank you, Mr. Cowley. Great to have them along. One of the great traditions, isn't it? The ceremonial first pitch.
Oh, it sure is. It just gets, it helps connect the game to the people that help build the game. And good form there. You got to see. Take it on the short hop either way.
Here's Biondi, the catcher, looking to get into trouble, but there is no trouble out there when Mason McKay is roaming. I told you earlier, this outfield is slick, not a blade of grass. They don't range over, and a great running catch.
Well, this did certainly put a charge in this to Biondi as he got a good piece, but an even better play by McKay. Got a good jump right off the start.
More of it, I say. Ball low, loose. They'll try and throw him out anyway. We'll sneak around the back door. Here. Slow grounder. What a reach, but the throw isn't. And this looks like trouble with a capital T. Argentina are scampering around the bases at will at this point. And what looked like an amazing stab by Van Boekel, it was an amazing stab, turns up with a throw that goes skewed. This one's to the back of the screen too. No shoulder needed here because he will just run straight through with the catcher. Look at the emotion on the captain Garcia as he comes out of the dugout. It is 3 runs to 0.
Just taking advantage, any opportunities.
Hard hit ball. And it's back, and it's back, and it's a jack! Argentina, oh my goodness! The top of the 3rd innings is simply phenomenal. 5 hits and 1 big one. One real big one. It's a 3-run shot.
A big one.
Straight off the bat, I thought it was going to land at the base of the fence, but boy, oh boy, he got plenty of it. Obviously the big part of the bat there. And that thing kept on going. And unfortunately for Reese Yancey, it's Argentina that are celebrating. It'll mark a pitching change here. Reese Yancey threw 2.1 innings.
Well, it's not often, Chopper, that you see a 4 unassisted in a putout. And that's just some great hustle over there. And you got to give Luna credit. He was going to make sure that he hit that bag first.
Well, Argentina, they'll have a different idea about it. What would be their focus here?
6 runs in the 3rd, another one in the 4th, and they just kept tacking them on. So hats off to the Argentinians. They earned the W. There was certainly no gifts coming from Canada. Tough loss for the Canadians.